Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the next collection. This is Minnesota Wild. Thanks to Skype not working, I am doing this by myself. I did have Tom and Bisping with us, but sadly with Skype now mucking up, it is just myself. So I'm just going to go through the packs myself and then we'll see which ones we get. We have 9 to go through, so let's start. I'm going to be very just straightforward and just do 1 to 9 and just see what I get. So let's see. This is pack number 1. Ah! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We're gonna have someone follow the channel very soon.
I love you back.
We've got a new follower. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I should do these by myself a lot more. Oh my god.
I love you back.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We've got 2 new followers already on the stream. That's amazing. I already own. I don't need any. Oh, hold on. I need that. Do I audio on him? Audio on him.
I love you back.
Alright. Everybody try to get their name on. Okay, let's just do the normal. What a start! What a start! Can this continue? No. But hey ho. Fiddler, of course. Fiddler on the roof. There's nobody in any of nothing in there. Audio on, audio on. Oh no, hold on. Keep him. Quick sell. No, hold on. Quick sell. Quick sell all. There you go. We're just going through the packs. So all we're gonna do, just go through the packs 1 to 9. We've already got a McKinnon in form. Oh my god, that's. Oh, I don't care if I don't get anything now. I'm really like, I'm hyped. Send all, quick sell all. Oh my god, that is crazy. What a start. Can't we get at least someone else? 84 Winnipeg. Already owned country. I got 2,000 pucks though. I'll do that. Him. Hold on. Him. That's it, really. Send collection. Quick sell all them. Oh, I've got to get rid of it all. Why did I send them to collection? What did I do that for? That was a bit silly. Quick sell them. Bit of a douchebag move. 5 to go. Oh, what a wow. Let's have a look at the next pack though. Oh, that's awesome. McKinnon hype. 85? Oh, somebody said something that he was good. I remember somebody said something about he was good the other day. I really do need a fatigue card, I'm not gonna lie. Quick sell them. 4 left. I can't believe I got McKinnon in form. I'm actually so happy. I'm so happy. Maybe that's EA being nice. Being nice to us. Oh, there's another LA King to the collection. Oh, Don Boyle. I remember him. Hurricanes collection. Black All Stars. Sell them. There you go. Confirm quick sell. 3 left. 3 left. money. Can I trade? Can I trade? Send a collection. Can I trade? Send him away. At least we got him. 2 to go. 2 to go, ladies and gentlemen. 2 to go, hype. Who's going to be this one? $82. Skull contracts. Yeah. Don't need anyone in that one. And finally. Oh. I didn't give myself a chance to do anything there. Oh well. Can I trade? Can I trade? Keep him. Can I trade? What's that? Send collection. And that's it. Oh, I need that. I do need that as well. Can lie. And get rid of that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. That is it for the collection. McKinnon in form. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. At least I get one good player per pack opening. That's good. That's a good thing. Thanks very much for watching this pack opening though. Please do like, share, subscribe. And if you like what you're seeing, why not join us on Non-Stop Sport when we stream every single night. Thanks for watching. We will see you the next time.